How to track any photo automatically in Premiere Pro. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do this. So you should follow some steps for that. So in Adobe Premiere Pro, you can automatically track an effect of the following object by following this features right here. Firstly, you need to apply the effect by importing your video. Import a video into the Premiere Pro and place it to the timeline. Now apply the effect. Select the clip in the timeline where you want the apply effect. Now go to the effects panel and search for the effect if you want to, like example Gaussian blur, color selection, lumetri color, etc. and many others. Step 2 is create a mask. Go to the effect controls. With your clip selected, go to the effect controls panel and create a mask. Under the effect you applied, you will see options for masking. You can create a mask under 3 options like ellipse mask, rectangle mask, or free brush draw bezier mask as well, which you can draw by pen tool. Click on these tools to draw a mask over the area of your video that you want to track. Now track the mask by enabling the mask tracking. Once a mask is created, scroll down to find the mask path option under the effect in the effect controls panel. Now next to the mask path, you will see buttons for tracking. Track forward, track backward. Now start tracking if you want to. Now adjust the mask keyframes, refine the mask as well. If the tracking is not perfect, you can manually adjust the mask position, shape and feathering at any point by going to the effect controls panel. Now feathering and expansion. Adjust the mask feather to soften the edges and mask and make the effect blend more natural. Use mask expansion to increase and decrease the size of mask. Also apply the effect to the tracked area. By applying the effect you applied will now be restricted to the masked area and will move with throughout the tracked sequence. Preview and adjust. Preview the effect by playing the back of your video to see how well the mask effect has been seen. After all is done, export the final video. If you are satisfied with tracking export video, by going to the file, export the media. So these are some examples you can use in some cases. So yes, by following these steps you can automatically track any effect in Adobe Premiere Pro, ensuring that it stays aligned with the movement of objects in a video. But you should do it step by step and you will be helped. So this is how you can do this. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.